I love them, they're really good. I like how the embers go into the sky, and if they touch something, maybe paper, it'll catch fire.
It's busier this year because it's on a Saturday, and it seems the crowd this year is really nicely behaved, really beautifully behaved. It's always quite a good crowd, but this year it's just really lovely people here.
I think it's, in a weird way, it kind of reflects like British or English, I suppose, respect for Parliament and the monarchy, because it was all about upholding the laws. I think like it's definitely, particularly in places like Lewis, it's got a lot bigger than it used to be. But yeah, I think it's a great celebration, and it's really nice to have something that's unique to us, because I don't think they celebrate it anywhere else. So yeah. Well, a bloke called Guy Fawkes tried to blow up the Houses of Parliament quite a long time ago, and it didn't work, and so he got hung, drawn and quartered. So now we just have bonfires and burn people here.